Hi everyone, a big hello. Welcome to my course of You Matter, the Mindfulness Masterclass, the 5-day WhatsApp based masterclass wherein I am here to hold your hand and walk you through into the world of mindfulness. My dear friends, this is Neety, your friend, mentor, and guide, Reiki master, tarot analyst, hypnosis expert, and inner child healing coach, spiritual wellness coach, and also a advanced mind programmer. So my dear friends, the journey has not been easy. I have been into a learning process of 17 long years into Shiv Yoga and Kriya Yoga. Now I have decided to take my learnings to another level. Even during the lockdown, I have helped quite a few people who were dealing with issues of their own, challenges of their life, into a blissful state through my Divinity Masterclass, wherein we practiced Reiki and chakra healing. Through this Mindfulness Masterclass, I aim to bring inner peace, happiness, and joy into your lives through the techniques I have learned for myself all this while. I promise to bring the best of learnings that I have gone through all these years. It will include various kinds of practices like gratitude, journaling, EFT, connecting your energies to the universe, meditation, and learning how to connect with your better beliefs, a positive mindset, and letting go of the limiting beliefs that surround you. It will help you break down your monotony, bring emotional wellness and healing to your life. Not only in your life, but also in various aspects in terms of relationships, health, joy, happiness, and money. Because when we start healing the energy centers of our body, that is the chakras, they start getting unblocked. The aura becomes wider, and as a result of which, healing occurs not only at the level of the mind but also the level of the soul. It is food for soul and food for your mind. So what do you feed yourself each day? Do you only consider the food that you eat as the diet? No, it is not like that. Even what we go through, we watch on TV, what we access on media, what we think, and what we go through in life is also a diet for our mind and soul. The various kinds of judgments that we hold, the ego that we have in our lives is what deprives the mind and the soul from the nourishment. Therefore, mindfulness is a journey. It is a science and art to inculcate a habit of happy living. It is a science because we use various kinds of techniques in order to bring a mindful living, a self-awareness state into our life. And also an art because all of us go through various challenges in our lives. All of us have different kinds of lives. No two people live the same kind of lives, and no two moments in our lives are the same. Therefore, when we apply the techniques of mindfulness, it is an art. So my dear friends, welcome to the world of mindfulness, which will make you happy, healthy, and emotionally well. So my dear friends, welcome to the magnificent world of mindfulness, which aims at self-awareness, self-love, a state of gratitude, compassion, and also loving all other people which surround your life. Here I am, teaching all of you each day for the next 5 days how to make your life better. And even if it's good, how to make it even better. So come join me in the masterclass and benefit from it. Let's learn together and explore the art of mindful living together with each other. Looking forward for your cooperation and your happy and healed state of being. This is your friend, mentor, and guide, Neety, signing off. In the next video, in the next podcast, I will teach you how to create gratitude statements, how to identify your emotions and deal with them. For now, it's a bye bye.